Hello there, Farm Beauties. Your girl EuniyceMari here. How you guys doing today? I am on a roll with these videos and I am so proud of myself, okay? I'm trying to get back on track with my YouTube. You guys know that, you know, we're trying to hit 10K subscribers. Your girl been on YouTube for about, what, 8 years now. We're trying to make this channel grow, get this channel going. And so I'm just trying to continue to keep content rotating out, all right? So today we're going to be reviewing the TATCHA Lip Mask. Now, I've been eyeballing this bad boy for a minute. Okay, the thing about lip masks though is that they're kind of hit or miss, just like with eye creams and things of that sort. So when it comes to lip masks, I'm very hesitant on if I want to like try them. So I heard a lot of great reviews about the TATCHA lip mask. I like a lot of products by TATCHA, so I trust their brand. So I figured I'd give it a try. If you're not subscribed, go ahead. I'll wait. Hit that subscribe button, join the Informed Beauties fam. We are almost at 10K. Let's get there. I want to hit 10K before this year is over. Let's end 2020 with a bang. Okay, so let's do it. So let's jump into this product. What it's all about is perks, and then we're gonna go ahead and try it out. My lips are bone dry right now, super dry, and that's why I was like, okay, this is the perfect time for me to try this mask out, because my lips are like, they're dry, honey. Let me get close. If you can't tell, they are dry, like dry. Just what is that? Like what is that? Oh, we got dry skin. So perfect candidate for this product right now. So this is the TATCHA Kissu, or is it Kiss You Lip Mask. It retails for $28 at Sephora. And the product details on this is that it's a soothing, non-sticky jelly lip mask of Japanese peach and olive derived squalene that softens, smooths, and helps restore a visibly plump lips. It's for all types of skin types, and the skincare concerns is for dryness, fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, and uneven texture. The formulation is gel. And this is a vegan, cruelty-free product as well. You guys know I stand behind clean beauty always. So that's another reason why I like TATCHA, because they are more of a clean beauty. And how you would use this. So how you would use this is that you massage a generous, even layer onto clean, dry lips and leave on. Can be used anytime. Right before bed is ideal. No need to rinse off, okay? Also, this product is formulated without parabens, synthetic fragrances, mineral oil, sulfates, detergents, silates, urea, DA, or TEA. Once again, that's why I like TATCHA, because it is definitely cleaner beauty, and you know I stay away from parabens, any of that other stuff that is just not great for you. So it comes in a little box like so, and this is the product. It is a pretty like pink color, and here's what the inside looks like. I tested it out on my hand, so there may be a little dip in it because I did give it a test. The formulation looks really, really moisturizing, and then it comes with a little spatula, which is also great for application, just like that. Okay, and it's a plastic spatula. For a minute I thought it was like metal, but it's not. It's a plastic spatula, so yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and let's try this out. So we are going to take the lovely product, and we're going to dip the spatula right into it. Okay. And then we're going to apply it to lip. Now it goes on really smooth. Oh yeah, I like this. It goes on really smoothly. My lips feel like instantly hydrated. Doesn't have much of like a taste to it, nor a scent. There is no fragrance. Doesn't smell like anything. But it's definitely very hydrating. Like instant hydration though. like instant hydration. I don't feel the need to apply more. I don't feel the need to even apply like a lip balm, lip gloss, anything. Like instant hydration. It gives you a nice little like shine to the lips, like a gloss. I like that a lot. I happen to really like that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this sit on my lips for a few hours. I believe it's like 11 o'clock or so, but I want to see how this works as time goes. So I want to see like, will I experience dryness in a few hours or anything like that? So I'm gonna allow this to sit on my lips for a few hours, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna check in with you guys on my thoughts, if my lips are very moisturized, if my lips are, you know, moisturized, if I feel like I need to add another layer, if I feel the need to add another lip product or what. But my first initial reaction is that it went on like butter. My lips feel like they are greatly hydrated and they have a nice like seal of hydration on them. It gives you a nice little shine, so I do like the fact you can kind of double as like a lip gloss in a way, but it's not sticky. It's not sticky, fragrance free. So far, first impression, I'm loving it. So I'll be back in a couple hours to give you guys an update on how it's feeling and how it's looking. So, and I'm not gonna put nothing else on. So I'll be back in a couple hours. Hello you guys, your girl EuniyceMari, and I'm back for an update on the TATCHA Kissu or Kiss You lip mask. So I think I put it on, I don't know what time I put it on. What time is it? It's officially like 2:46, so it's almost 3 o'clock. I don't remember when I put it on the first time. I don't know if it was around like 11 or if it was like 10, almost 11 o'clock. I did eat at 12 o'clock. I ate lunch, and so then it came off, and so I had to reapply it, but I had it on ever since about like 1, and so my lips still feel moisturized. They don't feel like they need to be re-moisturized. So I do like the fact that there is still moisture even hours after applying it. My lips feel soft, they feel smooth, they still have a little bit of a shine to it, if you can see, just a little bit. So far I like it. I feel like it's a great product. I like the fact that it is not fragrant, so it's fragrance free, and I like that. And so I definitely like this product. I will definitely continue to use it, and it's good to have like a mask treatment or some type of lip mask in your rotation, because especially now that it's going into like the fall, the winter, your lips are going to get a little bit more drier, the air is a little bit more drier, so I feel like it's really needed. It's really needed in the time of now. But yeah, I like it, and it makes me really like pretty much like now there's like this battle now between that one and my Bite Cosmetics lip mask, because you guys know I like the Bite Agave. That's pretty good. So yeah, I got a new lip mask that I actually pretty do like, and I think this is better than my lip balm actually. Like it just lasts a lot longer. The thing about lip masks is they last a lot longer on the lips than your average chapstick or lip balm would. And I will leave all links to the product down below for you guys to go and check it out. And if you have used this product before, let me know, comment down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.